Tēnā koutou te whānau, ngā pia o te wānanga patoa te taniwha. He Korokoro Tui, anei taku wero tuatahi, he Waiata Pākehā. I've chosen this song because Valentine's Day is coming up, and in the background you can see some of my Valentines. I know, pretty sad, but that's how it is. Where the boys are, someone waits for me. A smiling face, a warm embrace, 2 arms to hold me tenderly. Where the boys are, my true love will be. He's walking down some street in town, and I know he's looking there for me. In a world of a million people, I'll find my Valentine, and then I'll climb to the highest steeple and tell the world he's mine, till he holds me. I'll wait impatiently where the boys are, where the boys are, where the boys are, someone waits for me, till he holds me. I'll wait impatiently where the boys are, where the boys are, where the boys are, someone waits for me. So that's a Connie Francis classic. It's a little bit older than I am, but I thought, well, where are those boys? Anyway, my real goals for the year is to walk this journey with you all and supporting one another. We will all learn our te reo, and thank you to Umuariki for giving us this opportunity. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa.